Okay, in this video, we'll be installing GitHub Repositories. This is a VSCode extension that we'll be using. Launch your VSCode, and on the left, click on the Extensions tab. Search for GitHub. We'll be using this GitHub Repositories. So click on the Install. If everything goes well, you will see a new tab here, Source Control. Click on that. And then there's a button to install Git for Windows. And click on that. Okay, you can download the one for your system. I'll be using the Git for Windows. Okay, once it has been downloaded, go to your download folder and execute the installer. Then step through the installation process. Okay, we'll just use all the default settings. Okay, when it's done, you can click Finish. And we can go back to VSCode. We can close and open. Okay, when you relaunched VSCode, under the source code section, the install Git for Windows has disappeared. So Git has successfully been installed. So what we can do now is to clone a repository. In this example, you'll be cloning from GitHub. Then we'll sign in. Okay, let's try not signing in, see if that allows us to still do the clone. Okay, we go to View, Command Palette. We do a Git Clone. And then we enter a URL. Then it will ask us for a directory to save the clone. Okay, so it's cloning. Then you can click Open. Then this will open up the repository in your Explorer, in your File Explorer. So we have successfully installed the VS Code extension, the GitHub extension, and we did a Git clone from a URL. In this example, we clone from this URL. So we see here that the contents of platformio.ini is what we see in the VS Code directly.